Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is just playing around another video on over, under, or interlocking loops. And this is a pretty easy one, so I thought I'd share it with you. Let's just get this one out of the way. Let's just draw a rectangle. Doesn't really matter what size. And then round off the corners with a ratio lock. I'm going to put 5 inches, which is more than plenty. And then I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to contour the inside 1 inch. Whoop. I need to make evidently my graphic bigger. Now let's try 1 inch. Still too much. Let's make it a little bit bigger and go 1 inch. Now, what's pretty neat, first of all, you need to go to object and break the contour part. And then if you'll see, and if you can make this any size later, but with your ratio locked, we're going to make this 3.5 to make it easy. And then we're going to set our nudge factor on 3.5. And we're going to grab this and we're going to duplicate it and we're going to nudge with the, whoop, I didn't grab it all. Nudge with the right arrow key over, whoop, make a duplicate and go over. Now they're touching. Now let's make our nudge factor, because we contoured 1 inch, let's make our nudge 1 inch, and that'll make it 1 inch apart so everything will be kind of equal. Take these two and Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. And that's what you have. Let's move this out of the way. Pretty important to go Control G and group it together and then hit P to put it in the center of the page. And then just kind of imagine in your head over, under. So if it's going to go underneath this one, it's going to go over that one, so we need to delete those two. This is gone under, so we need this to go over, so we'll delete these two. This is going under, so I think we're good. Now what you need to do is take the Smart Fill tool. We got our nudge factor set. Let's see, this whole thing is a little over 12, so we'll make it 13 inches. We'll take the Smart Fill tool and we'll just start filling these in. And we need one more. There we go. Now I would leave those lines. Let's nudge this out of the way and then nudge this back. I'm not going to move it, I'm nudging it. Then let's go ahead and group this together, Control G and then Control D, and take our lines and double click and then rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, 180 degrees, Control D. So now you have, well, I missed a step. I didn't Smart Fill that part right there. So we need that. So now well, in this one right here, because the fact that I did not include it in the original drawing. Let's see where that is. There we go. The colors don't matter right now. Let's zoom in here. And then I need one more. When I skip that, you skip it 4 times. Let's take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now we got it. Now let's zoom in here and look at it. And let's take all the color away. I was only doing the color to rotate it. Now take your Smart Fill tool and pick a color and make this hoop. Let's see, this one's going under. This one's going to go over. And then do the same thing on this one. Basically, you're just doing the loop. That one is going under, so this one's going to go over, and that one's going to go under. Then take your Smart Fill tool and change your color. Make it pretty drastic so you can tell the difference. And then just fill in all the empty blocks that are left. Now, go up here and see those lines, just right-click, no outline. Now you have, this one is going under, over, under, over, under, over, and they're both the same. Pretty cool little easy project. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you.